Have you ever thought about creating a safe space where people can openly talk about mental health? A space where they feel heard, supported, and understood? If that's been on your mind, you're not alone. Support groups can be incredibly powerful. They foster connection, promote healing, and provide a sense of belonging that can truly transform lives. Hi there, welcome to MentalHappy, the platform dedicated to making emotional health support more accessible, secure, and community-driven. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a mental health support group step by step. Whether you're a mental health professional looking to expand your services or someone passionate about helping others, this guide will give you everything you need to create a meaningful, supportive space for those who need it most. So, let's dive in and get started on this rewarding journey. Now, you might be wondering, why start a support group in the first place? The truth is, the need for safe, supportive mental health spaces is growing every single day. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, support groups play a crucial role in improving emotional well-being, reducing feelings of isolation, and empowering individuals to share their experiences without fear of judgment. These groups offer something truly special: connection. They help people realize they're not alone in their struggles, and sometimes just knowing someone else understands can be incredibly healing. And that's exactly where MentalHappy comes in. Our journey began in 2016, starting as a small support group aimed at providing a safe space for honest, meaningful conversations about emotional health. Since then, we've grown into a global platform, helping people from all walks of life connect, share, and heal together. Today, MentalHappy makes it easier than ever to create and manage your own support group, providing the tools and security you need to foster real, impactful change. So, if you're ready to make a difference and build a supportive community, you're in the right place. All right, now let's break down exactly how to start your own mental health support group step by step. Starting a group might feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's absolutely doable when you take it one step at a time. Step 1, define your purpose. The very first step, get clear on your purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want to start this group? Who is this group for? What kind of support will I provide? Having a clear mission will not only help you stay focused, but also attract the right members who will benefit most from your group. For example, is your group meant for individuals living with anxiety, parents raising children with ADHD, professionals dealing with workplace burnout? The more specific your focus, the stronger and more supportive your community will be. When people feel like they're in the right place, they're more likely to open up and stay engaged. Step 2, research existing resources. Before you dive in, it's important to understand what's already out there. Do a little digging. Look into local and online support groups that cover similar topics. This will help you avoid duplicating efforts, find gaps where your group could offer something new or needed, and get inspiration for how other groups are structured. Organizations like NAMI, National Alliance on Mental Illness, or the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, ADAA, often offer valuable resources, toolkits, and even opportunities for partnerships. You might even consider collaborating with mental health organizations. They can provide expert guidance, helpful materials, or even referrals to help get your group off the ground. Step 3, gather founding members. Now that you've defined your purpose and done your research, it's time to find your founding members. You don't need a huge group to start. Beginning with just a few committed individuals can make launching your support group much easier and more manageable. Here are some ways to find those first few members. Reach out to friends, colleagues, or people in your personal network who might be interested. Tap into online communities. Platforms like Facebook groups, Meetup, or even Reddit have dedicated spaces for people seeking support. If you're a mental health professional, consider inviting clients, where appropriate, or connecting with colleagues who may refer individuals who could benefit. Remember, a small but dedicated core group can help you plan, organize, and lead discussions, making your support group more engaging and effective right from the start. Now that you've gathered your founding members, it's time to decide on how your group will meet. Step 4. Decide on a meeting format. There are 3 main formats to consider: in-person, virtual, or a hybrid approach. Each comes with its own set of benefits and challenges. In-person meetings offer a personal, face-to-face connection that can help build trust and deepen relationships. They're ideal if you have access to a safe, comfortable, and private location, like a community center, library, or therapy office. However, in-person sessions can be limiting for those with transportation issues or social anxiety. Virtual meetings offer greater accessibility and convenience. They're perfect for reaching people who may not be able to attend in person, whether due to location, physical limitations, or busy schedules. Tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or, better yet, MentalHappy's secure online platform make hosting virtual sessions simple and user-friendly. Plus, with MentalHappy, you'll have access to features like privacy controls and AI-driven insights, ensuring a safe and supportive space for everyone. And then there's the hybrid model, which blends both in-person and virtual formats. This can offer the best of both worlds, allowing people to join in the way that works best for them. Think about your group's specific needs and what will make everyone feel comfortable and included. Step 5. Establish guidelines. Next up, setting clear guidelines to create a safe, respectful space for everyone. One of the most important aspects of running a support group is ensuring that members feel secure and respected. Here are a few essential guidelines to consider. Confidentiality is key. What's shared in the group stays in the group. This builds trust and encourages open, honest conversations. Respect and active listening. Make sure every member has a chance to speak without being interrupted. Foster an environment where everyone's voice is valued. No judgment zone. Encourage empathy and understanding. This should be a space free of judgment or criticism. I also recommend creating a simple document that outlines these expectations. Have each new member read and agree to these guidelines before participating. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in establishing mutual respect and trust from the beginning. Step 6. Plan your sessions. Structure keeps sessions organized and effective. Use this simple framework. Check-in. Members briefly share feelings or recent challenges. Open sharing. A safe space for members to discuss experiences. Discussion topics. Rotate themes like stress management or self-care. Expert insights. Bring in guest speakers for professional advice. Wrap up. End with a closing thought, exercise, or resource sharing. Once your support group structure is in place, it's time to share it with the world. After all, a support group is only impactful if people know it exists. Step 7. Spread the word. Promote your group using practical outreach methods. Social media. Share posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Flyers and posters. Place them in libraries, coffee shops, and community centers. Professional referrals. Reach out to therapists and clinics for recommendations. Community boards. Use platforms like Nextdoor or local bulletin boards. Organizational partnerships. Collaborate with nonprofits and advocacy groups. Remember, building awareness takes time, but every new connection brings you one step closer to creating a supportive, thriving community. Step 8. Facilitate with empathy. Create a supportive environment where members feel safe and heard. Encourage participation without pressure. Ask open-ended questions to deepen discussion. Practice active listening. Avoid interrupting or offering quick fixes. Foster a judgment-free space where every experience is valid. Lead by example. Be open and compassionate. Running a support group isn't always smooth sailing. Challenges will come up, and that's completely normal. The key is knowing how to handle them with empathy and balance. Step 9. Address common challenges. Here's how to manage typical issues. Dominant speakers. Gently redirect and invite others to share. Quiet members. Offer direct, pressure-free opportunities to speak. Emotional distress. Offer support and provide access to crisis resources if needed. Also, be prepared with a list of crisis resources or referrals to mental health professionals, just in case someone needs immediate support. Addressing challenges with compassion and understanding will help you build a supportive environment where everyone feels safe and valued. Step 10. Evaluate and improve. Once your group is up and running, your job isn't over. It's important to keep improving and making sure the group continues to meet everyone's needs. Here's how you can do that. Gather feedback regularly. Check in with your members through anonymous surveys, one-on-one conversations, or open discussions during group sessions. Ask questions like, what's been helpful for you in this group? Is there anything we could do differently? Be open to change. If feedback suggests a different structure, new discussion topics, or adjustments to the schedule, be flexible. A willingness to adapt shows your members that their voices truly matter. Consistency is key. Even with changes, maintaining a consistent schedule and structure helps build trust and a sense of stability within the group. Remember, growth is a journey. Regular evaluation helps ensure your support group remains valuable, supportive, and meaningful over time. Why use MentalHappy for your support group? Here's what makes MentalHappy stand out. Easy group creation. Set up your group quickly and customize it to your community's needs. Flexible scheduling. Manage meetings on your terms, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Secure payment systems. Simplify fees and donations with built-in secure payments. AI-driven insights. Track engagement, participation, and feedback to improve your group. Privacy controls and HIPAA compliance. Protect sensitive information with top-level security. Moderated conversations and mobile access. Manage discussions easily, with access from any device. MentalHappy isn't just a platform. It's a global community that empowers you to foster emotional wellness and meaningful connections. Final tips for success. Before we wrap up, here are 3 essential tips to build a strong, supportive group. Collaborate with professionals. Bring in mental health experts for evidence-based guidance. Be consistent. Stick to a regular meeting schedule to build trust and reliability. Be patient. Growth takes time. Stay committed and let the group develop naturally. Ready to create a safe, supportive space for mental health? MentalHappy has the tools to help you get started. Visit mentalhappy.com to start your support group today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mental health insights and support group strategies. Thanks for watching. Take care, and see you in the next video.